Welcome back. We are taking a live look right now outside Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport ahead of the busy Memorial Day travel weekend. AAA expects it to be the busiest Memorial Day weekend we've seen in 3 years. And for many people, this might be your first time flying without the mask now that COVID numbers are still low here in Georgia.
For a Thursday night, it looked pretty quiet at Hartsfield-Jackson, didn't
Yeah,
it?
probably going to pick up tomorrow.
It's going to pick up a lot. Kara Spelcher found that it's not just COVID that's weighing in on travelers' minds collectively this weekend.
Airport officials say more than 2 million people will make their way through Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport between now and Wednesday. A doctor I spoke with at Emory says that when it comes to your health, the best advice is to stay vigilant.
If we could get through COVID, I'm sure we can get through anything.
Despite new concerns across the nation about monkeypox, passengers making their way through Hartsfield-Jackson Airport seemed eager and optimistic as they navigated long lines.
Whether you're going to Mars, Uranus, Venus, Neptune, doesn't matter, come right on in.
And airport security to get to their destination.
Okay, I'm headed to Miami. Good old Miami, that's family.
Christoph Moore wasn't going to let the increase in traffic or possible concerns about COVID keep him from enjoying his trip.
The cases can be concerning, but I believe that if everybody do their part and, just protect themselves and protect their children, I think that things will be all right.
Dr. Carlos Del Rio with Emory University says it's a good attitude to have.
The biggest risk when you travel is not necessarily the plane or the train or public transportation you take, but it's what you do when you get to the place you go to. You go to bars, you go to parties, you mix with other people, and that's when people usually are getting infected on vacations.
But he warns vigilance is key.
But most importantly, if you start developing symptoms, isolate yourself, get tested, and talk to your physician. COVID is not gone, it's still with us.
He says being vaccinated helps, along with wearing your mask if you're still concerned.
And talk to your physician because you may be eligible to start treatment, and treatment can make a difference.
Now, the advice for making your trip easier still applies. You're advised to get to the airport at least 2 hours before your flight. I'm Kara Spelcher.